Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Khushi, and today we're going to be doing the next project of C hashtag, which is the words project. So let's see what it is. So this one is a program which is giving us 10 words which are within an array, and it's going to be taking a letter as an input, and it is going to be outputting all of the words which consist of a particular letter. So we are going to make such a program which does the whole thing. And if none of the words consist of the particular letter, then it's going to be printing no match. We can also have a look to the sample input and output as an example. We're going to be also using the contains method right here. So let's just start. So the first thing which we're going to be doing is we're going to be declaring a for loop. So let's say for the integer count of words is gonna be 0, and this is because we're gonna be starting from the very first. The next thing which we're gonna be doing is we're gonna make sure that the count is less than 10, because we are given 10 words as said. And another thing which we're gonna be doing is that the count should increment after checking it once. Now let's just go further. So here we're going to be declaring the if statement. So if a word, square bracket, count, we're going to have a dot, contains, which is the method which is said over here. If it contains the particular letter which is taken as the input, might be wondering where is the input taken. Here it is string letter console.write line, console.read line, which is acting as an input taking. So here it is letter, and opening the curly braces, and now we're going to be printing out the word count. So we're going to say console.write line, and this is going to be printing the word count. So this is what it is. Please just write it down. Let's just end it up here, and now we're going to be increasing the num count because so that I can check the next word. So let's say num plus plus. Now what if the word or the thing doesn't match? So if count is equals to, num is equal to 0. Num represents the number of words which are consisting the particular letter. For example, fun, which is given in the sample input. So if the num is equal to 0, then it's going to be printing no match as it is said. So this is going to be printing out no match, console.write line, and here it's going to be printing out no match. We're going to be doing one thing in this video wherein I'm going to be showing you how case sensitive these languages are. So yeah, now let's just check this out and see if it's correct or not. There's an error in the line 3026 here. We do not add this semicolon to end it up here. Now let's just run and check if it is true. So the contains exception has a little problem. Here in this error, what the mistake we have made is that, as you can see right here, there is a caps C over here, but we have entered a small c. So we're going to just make it a capital C, and that's it. Now let's run the code to see. And here comes the results where all the test cases are true. Now let's just check each one of them. So the first test case has L as the input or the letter, And the words which consist of L in this whole list are just football and learn. We can just cross check if there's any other letter. I mean, if there's any other word, but there isn't. Now, the next one is test case 2, wherein we have Z as it, but none of the words consist of Z. That's the reason why it is printed no match. Then we have the third test case where the letter is A and all the words with A are just printed out. Now we come to the experiment we're going to be doing. Here it is in a capital N, but we're going to be making it a small n, because this is how I'm going to be showing you if it's a case sensitive language or not. Now, as you can see, two of the test cases are false, which is test case 5, which is hidden, and test case 2, which has Z. As we know, if we write no match or if we write no match, this still means the same. But being a case sensitive language, it is not going to accept it. And that's the reason why we have to print out or we have to type down the same thing which is given. And yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and press the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.